Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Travis Dykes. Today we're going over 3 grooves in 3 steps. So let's head to the lesson. So just as a little disclaimer, the step 1 of each of these grooves will be the same. The only thing that's really going to change in each of these is the step 2 and the step 3. So once you get the step 1 down, you should be good just to do step 2, step 3 on the rest of them. This groove is going to be utilizing the A flat minor pentatonic scale, or you could think about it as the B major scale or the B major pentatonic scale. We're going to be using different positions to enhance our groove and make it sound different for each of these grooves. Also, if you know nothing about pentatonic scale positions and you're just like, man, I have no idea what you mean, and you want to learn more about it, I have a link in the description. Check it out. I have a video talking about all the pentatonic scale positions. It's really, really going to help you. So let's jump into the first groove. If you guys have any questions on any of the things that I covered in today's lesson, feel free to hit me up at @tdykes on my Instagram. Also hit me up on my Instagram if you're interested in getting this loop for free, absolutely free to you. Just hit me up there or drop a comment below and I will get to you ASAP. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.